My name is Kaden Harper Lee. I do HVAC installs for these guys, and the only reason why I'm doing HVAC is because plumbers could never look this good.
Do you have any plans for Thanksgiving?
Not too much, hanging out with the family.
See you again.
Oh, never, never.
Never?
Well, maybe someday.
When? Tomorrow?
Oh, no.
Perfect.
So long, farewell. I'll be just saying adieu.